Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the easiest ways to make your WooCommerce store look more professional and user-friendly. The variation swatches for WooCommerce plugin by RadiusTheme. Instead of dull dropdowns, you can showcase product variations as colorful swatches, images, or labels, giving your customers a visual and engaging shopping experience. In this video, I will walk you through how to install and set up the plugin, customize swatch style, and optimize your product pages to boost clicks and conversions. So, if you're ready to level up your WooCommerce store, let's get started. So, firstly, go to the plugins and add new plugins. In the search key box, type Variation Swatches powered by RadiusTheme. Click on Install and then activate this plugin. Here it is. This is the appearance of this. Now again go to the plugins, click on Add New Plugins and then Upload Plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. After installing, click on Activate Plugin. We need to install and activate the Variation Swatches plugin, both free and premium version for this special feature. Now, in the first step, we will learn how to create the product attributes. For this, go to the product and then attributes. Here, provide a suitable name for this. For example, color. Then select the type for this as color and click on Add Attribute to save this. In this way, you can keep making more attributes according to your needs. Here it is. Now, according to the terms, click on Configure Terms and get a new one to provide the product color. Give a name of your color like black and select the color from this color picker. Now choose an option for your showing tooltip as text, image or no. We will select the image. For tooltip image, you can upload from yourself. Choose an image and save it. While done, click on Add New Color to save this. Here it is. By following the same process, you can create more color as much as you want. Then select the image as Show Tooltip type and provide the tooltip image for this. Now save this. Again, same process you can follow for creating more. We just need to provide the name and the color. Choose an image related to your product. Now save it. Thus, you can keep continuing create more product color. If you further want a dual color, then enable this option and select your required color. Then provide an image for your tooltip image. Now save this. Here, this is our product color. At this moment, go to the attributes again and here you will get two types of attribute, color and size. Now we will work with the size. So click on Edit and get an appearance like this. Now again go back to the attribute. According to the size, click on Configure Term and get an such appearance for the product size. Now provide the size for this and save it. You can make more size by just providing the size number and save it. Now in the step 2, we will add a variable product and create variation swatch. For this, go to the All Products, click on Add New Product. Here, provide a suitable name as men's shoes and write a short description about it. According to the product short description, write something about your product. For the product data, select the product types as variable product from these given options. Then go to the attributes and get this type of settings. Click on add existing and choose color from here. Now select the variations for the all products or else don't select anything. Now save your attributes. After choosing the color as existing, now select size. According to the values, select the size for your product. You can select multiple products at once if you want, or you can also choose a single product. Now click on variation and get two options as add manually and generate variation. From here, click on generate variation and get this type of appearance with several variations for adding. Suppose you have a black t-shirt available in all the different size. Not only that, but the other colors of t-shirts you have are also available in various size. Click on edit and provide an appropriate image for this. Choose the image and save it. Now save the regular price for this along with the stock status as in stock. For the next, again click on edit to add related product picture and set your regular price for this. Thus, you can add all related images for each particular product. We just need to add related images and their regular prices for each shoe one by one, based on color and size. For example, a separate image and the price for the black shoe, and again separate images and prices for the different sizes of the red shoe. That's it. While you are done, then click on Save Changes and then choose the product categories from the right side on your hand. After that, save the featured image for the product. Choose your required one and then save it. While done, click on Publish to save all of these customization. Now, click on View Product to see this. Here it is. This is the featured image for the different color and the size. While you will click on the particular color, then it will display the product along with the particular size. Alongside, it will also display the regular price of this product. Now return to the dashboard and go to the product, then settings. Here, this is the interface of it. Go to the product swatches and get the variation swatches for WooCommerce settings. You will get several options for your simple change some visual style. You can choose rounded shape or the squared shape. Click on Save Changes. Let's see how the difference look like. Reload this page and get the round shape style. And if you want to change the shape style with the check mark, then enable this option. Now save your changes and let's go to see the appearance. Here, this is our check mark. After that, if you want to set the product page attribute display limit, then you can set it according to your demand. Save these changes and let's see how does it look. Here it is. If you want to show more than one product, then you can change it further. Next, you can change and set attribute image size from these given options. Not only that, you can further change the width, height and the font size for the single product variation item. Now go to the advanced. From here, you can change your attribute behavior along with the other options. Now go to the style. From here, you will get many options for your visual style. Then go to the archive for the advanced settings on archive pages. Let's go to see how this look like. If you enable swatches, it will look like that. Now, if you think changing the swatches position will make the visual appearance more attractive, you can adjust their placement as you like. And then save it. Let's check it out after changing the position. Preload the page first and see how it looks. You can also change the swatches alignment to the right, left, or center. Save the changes and review the results. If you want to adjust the alignment again later, such as swatching from center to another position, you can do that too. It's completely up to you. After saving, go to the tools section to customize these options further. And if you need any additional related plugins, you can purchase from here. Now let's head back to the page and see the difference. This is how you can use variation swatches for WooCommerce. Thank you for watching this video.